Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Jason the Great with 2 T's. We're going to go ahead and check in on Chef Fitterer right now. I think we're starting to plate, so this round is nearing to an end. Let's go ahead and check in with Chef Fitterer, and see how she feels these the result of these cookies have turned out. Fitterer, how do you feel about these cookies?
I don't know.
We'll have to translate that for you later. I'm not quite sure exactly what that means. Now with these sugar cookies, Chef Fitterer, with these sugar cookies, did you use an Australian sugar or did you use a Russian sugar? What type of sugar did you choose?
I don't know.
Okay, what's the difference between a Russian and an Australian sugar? Is one finer? Is it more fluffy?
No.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check in on the progress over here. We started a plate, so this competition is nearing an end. Here's our dish, our plated dish. And notice the size of these cookies. These cookies turned out relatively large. I'm not quite sure exactly this was the purpose. The sous chef has just put out another batch of cookies now.
What do you think?
I think those look pretty good. Those, in my opinion, are pretty good. Chef, in your opinion, what happened with this plate here?
You said I wouldn't be in this one.
So she has opted to not answer that question. I'll go ahead and we'll ask the other chef, Chef Fitterer. I noticed that the first round of sugar cookies came out and they looked relatively large. Was that the intent?
Yeah.
So the intent was to make these sugar cookies look relatively large. I noticed that your sous chef, Amanda Fitterer, had to actually separate them with a knife. Is that right?
I have to eat my nasty.
Did you find
Okay, so Chef Fitterer she has to break and eat her mac and cheese. We're going to go ahead and check in on the other chef, Chef Jason Fitterer II. We're going to go ahead and check him out. Let's see where he is at. We're not quite sure where he went. Let's see. He is going to be around here somewhere. Chef Jason II is probably going to, here he is right here. Chef Jason, how do you feel about the progress these women are making on their sugar cookies and their chocolate chip cookies? Are you confident that your performance today will outshine that of your competition? Okay, we're going to go ahead and go on back over here to the Chef Fitterer and sous chef Amanda Fitterer. We're going to check in and see what's. So they're actually sampling one of their first dishes. It looks like, and it looks like some kind of a macaroni and cheese. Now this may be a smoked Gouda cheese. This may be some kind of an elbowy type of a noodle. We're going to go ahead and check in here on Chef Fitterer and see what kind of a concoction they made today with this appetizer round dish here. So Chef Fitterer, so since this is your first time on Iron Chef 2017, how do you feel about this appetizer dish right here?
I don't know.
Okay, what type of cheese did you use for this entree?
I don't know.
Okay, how about the noodle? The selection of pasta. Why did you go with an elbow? He's in your office. Okay.
Well, my office is not safe.
Office is not safe, so we're going to go ahead and get Chef Jason II back out to his station here. He's abandoned his station. We're going to go ahead and check in on the progress of these cookies. These cookies look really good. Sugar cookies look pretty big. I know these chefs are going to start plating at any time, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the commercial here. Okay, we're going to cut the commercial, and we will be back in just a few moments. This is your host, Jason the Great. That's 2 T's. See you soon.